Today we will have a lot of fun, so I'm just going to show elementary kids how to fix the Rubik's Cube. Yeah, I wish I can record, but my battery is dying, so I will try the best. If somebody can help me record. Done. Let me mess it up again.
Oliver, go lunch and come back.
Can do them both at the same time?
Both at the same time? No.
Angel.
I wish I could.
Angel.
I only have one brain, so probably not at the same. Well, I'm not only just gonna finish this, I'm going to tell you my story about Rubik's Cube, okay? So, the first time I finished Rubik's Cube is when I was 13. I never thought I could finish this, because I remember the day I tried very hard to spend the whole day on this. I could not even finish. But one day, when one of my classmates, he was playing Rubik's Cube, he can do it, and well, since he's the only one who can do it in our whole classroom. And I was just watching, but he said, well, he let me get away because he said I cannot finish Rubik's Cube. I don't understand how to do this. That's what makes me a little bit angry. But also, yeah, that's because I cannot finish this Rubik's Cube. So that week, actually, I didn't do any study. Just focus on how to fix Rubik's Cube. So finally, after a week, I figured out how to finish this by two hands. Yeah, that's how I learned how to do this. When I showed that classmate I can do this, he still says, oh sure, it's really easy to finish the Rubik's Cube. And you're too slow. Yeah, he actually said that. I'm too slow. So after that day, well, I think I need more practice. So I practice every day, but I just cannot beat him. But I don't know what happened on him because he stopped practicing Rubik's Cube. So finally, but I still practicing, so I beat him finally. In this way. That's what I can do last year. Last year I thought, the reason why I learned how to do it with only left hand was because, well, I can answer my phone, I can use my right hand, hold something, maybe answer the phone, maybe hold mic and sing, and when I'm doing Rubik's Cube on my left hand. Last year, since I got another Rubik's Cube, so not only left hand, I started to practice with my right hand. So try to finish this at the same time. But finally I realized I only have one brain. It's pretty hard to finish this. I finish at the same time, so I'm just going to do it one by one. today is a pretty busy day. I remember I have to go from first grade to fifth grade to sixth grade to fifth grade to show them how to play Rubik's Cube. Yeah. Wow, that's cool. They'll ask me some questions. I'm so glad I have this opportunity. But yeah, it's pretty busy. But I did have fun.